Day 13 of sharing my favorite Christmas CDs from my CD collection with you. Today's CD is by Train and it's called Christmas in Tahoe. I spent many years working retail, and this is one of the CDs I would put on year after year when it came out because I loved it so much, and it's something that could appeal to every audience. And it's one my husband really enjoys too, not being a music buff himself. Released 10 years ago on November 13th, 2015, this CD features 12 tracks. If you like softer pop rock tunes, alternative rock, this CD is right up your alley to put in your Christmas collection. Honestly, if you listen to that type of music, you're probably familiar with Train anyway from Hey Soul Sister. So obviously this is a great one to add to your collection. Let me know in the comments below what Christmas music you're listening to. Make sure you give me a follow and like the video for more.
Send some happiness with my best to the rest of the people of the East and the West, and maybe